making it.
Mommy said you were close.
Bigrofast.
Dude, why don't I see the emotes?
I don't see them either.
Wait, why don't I see Big Frog Fast, dude? The hell?
That just like the
Is it showing up in the chat? Oh, I see it in
that
the
peak is very
main
impressive.
chat.
I don't have better TTV on this computer.
Bigrofast.
It's not showing on Dank chat.
I see it.
Yes.
Wait, let me reload Dank chat.
Camel hate me. Camel does not
Oh, I love
camel
you.
me.
I do love you,
fine.
Chua. I do love you, Chua. Okay, yeah, there we go.
Frog dog.
Thanks for reminding
Now I see the
me.
badges.
Use the machine to spin it.
Dude, honestly, I'm not even gonna use the
Cora.
mixer, dude. The mixer is cheating. We whip stiff beats, dude.
That meow meow though. DIDSOMEONESAYHYDRATE. Dog, how many electric outlets do you have? I have like 3 total. Outlet flex. That's it. In moving back to Romania.
Wait, who said that? I think I got like 10 in here.
I have one every 3 feet. Directly behind me, you can
Half a dungeon for iPhone to reach it.
How did I get QTV back on my chat bar?
Like that.
I love this.
You gotta
I'm
go to the-
sorry that it
like the
hurts
Chrome
what
App
this
Store.
is like. Camel
Yeah.
your cam delay few seconds. Alien 2 yo-yo. Camille won't be
No,
able to
the
tackle
sound is
anymore
delayed.
after this stream. Gonna have to use his left hand. S tier action. BIGFROGFAST.
Stop throwing tomatoes.
Speed.
Okay, chat, so I downloaded it to the browser.
Okay, wow.
Cheer 50. That you can do it though.
Is that how TTS works? Cause you wanna use it outside when you do IRL.
We're starting to get fully
Camel,
frothed.
can I people leave?
We're starting to get fully
What
frothed
are
right
we
now.
baking?
No, don't leave, Chua.
Yummies.
Chua, you keep coming in here.
Macaronis.
Yeah, carrot macaronis. Carrot cake macaronis.
We were gonna make one with actual like carrot cake, but then we realized neither one of us actually
Need
like
those
carrot cake.
peaks too.
I mean, these ones look better anyway.
Macaroni.
Yeah, these are way cuter.
Carrot cake macaronis, dude.
Yeah.
They're shaped like little ass carrots.
Catch
Come on,
jam.
Camel.
Cakey Pico Pats.
These little feet. Just these
It's
little
almost there.
My peaks in my bowl are bigger than the peaks in my chest. I'm kind of jealous.
was showing us frog macaronis
Oh yeah, the frog macaroni.
I mean,
dude.
what? My bits are very excited. You could just give up. And UDIDNG alert.
Try to alert you, Cole.
Be
You was
said.
just busy. You were busy making your own stiff teeth. Okay, Cam? Or Cole?
Yeah, me too.
I was defending myself against Chad who kept calling me a
That
word.
is true. I can vouch for Kebab.
No, we called you a cute caterpillar, Kebabs.
She was at war with
Bob
Chad.
said, I
We
got
called you a cute caterpillar, Kebabs. Nobody said you were a worm.
Actually, you called her